Harmful microorganisms. Microorganisms are indeed helpful to life. However, there are some microbes which can cause diseases to humans, animals, or plants. Such diseases causing microorganisms are called pathogens. In this video, we will discuss about some of such microbes. Disease causing microorganisms in humans. Pathogens may enter in our body through air, water, food, or by direct contact with the infected person. The diseases that pass from infected body to healthy body and causes diseases in healthy body are called communicable diseases. Airborne diseases. Common cold is a viral infection. During sneezing of a person suffering from common cold, fine droplets of moisture spread in air, each of which contains thousands of viruses. These viruses may transfer to healthy body during breathing, causing disease in the body. So, the infected person must use handkerchief while sneezing and the healthy person must be kept away from the infected person. Some other airborne diseases are tuberculosis, which is caused by bacteria, measles, chickenpox, polio, common cold are caused due to viruses. Spreading of airborne diseases prevented by keeping the patient in complete isolation and by keeping the things of patients away. Vaccination at suitable age is also helpful. Waterborne diseases. Cholera, typhoid, polio, hepatitis B are caused due to drinking of water containing pathogens of respective diseases. Cholera and typhoid are bacterial infections, whereas hepatitis B is viral infection. To prevent such diseases, we should maintain personal hygiene and good sanitary habitat. We should eat properly cooked food and drink boiled water. Vaccination also helps to prevent waterborne diseases. Diseases transmitted by carriers. The organisms such as houseflies, mosquitoes, which carries pathogens are called carriers. Pathogens present in garbage stick to the body of the housefly. When houseflies sit on uncovered food, pathogens get transferred to the food. Eating such food causes diseases, for example, cholera. So, it is advised to keep food covered and eat food that is covered. Similar to housefly, the female Anopheles mosquito carries parasite of malaria called Plasmodium. Female Aedes mosquito carries viruses of dengue. If we control the population of mosquito, we can control the spread of malaria and dengue. Basically, all mosquitoes breed in water. And so, we should not let water collect anywhere, like in tires, flap pots, in coolers, etc. We should keep our surrounding clean and dry. Use of mosquito nets and mosquito repellents, spraying insecticides also helps to control malaria and dengue. Disease causing microorganisms in animals. A bacteria cause dangerous disease and threats in humans and cattle. Foot and mouth disease of cattle is caused by a virus. Vaccination can prevent such diseases. Disease-causing microorganisms in plants. Diseases in plants results in less crop production. Some of these diseases are citrus cancer is caused by bacteria and transmitted through air. Rust of wheat is caused due to fungi and transmitted through air or seeds. Yellow vein mosaic of okra, that is bendi, is caused by virus and transmitted through insects.